We have online now another person who has agreed, and we really appreciate her for it. An individual who is a positive patient, and we'll call her patient G. And she is positive, but she's not ill in the terms of the symptoms of illness, and so don't, at this time anyway, require hospital care. And it's important that we explain that to the public, because you're going to have cases like these, and it is going to require a particular approach, more home approach than hospital approach. And as the virus spreads, we're going to have to find a way to manage that. So patient G, are you on?
Yes, I am, ma'am.
Good evening to you. How are you?
I am well. I'm well, giving thanks.
Excellent. First of all, thank you very much for agreeing to come on. And obviously we will keep it at patient G, and we won't give any other specific information. What we want is just your views on your experience, how you found out that you were positive. You don't have to call any names, any institution, just how you found out, what were your initial thoughts, what is your current condition, and just how you see yourself handling this particular virus.
Well, I was first quarantined when I got into the island, and I was put on the 14-day quarantine at home because I was by myself, so it wasn't a problem. But I found out from my first testing my temperature that I did have a temperature. I initially took 2 paracetamol and then test again, and the same thing. So I went that day, and during the course of the day, I started feeling unwell, very lethargic, couldn't even, make myself a meal. But because I didn't have the other symptoms, I didn't really think it was anything. I just thought it was something else, But on the second day, I was feeling worse, so I contacted the Ministry of Health and told them my symptoms, and then they came for me. That's where it started. Nobody else that I came in contact with, well, I didn't come in contact with anybody, so I didn't actually make any case, if you know what I mean.
Okay,
And
so your case, therefore, is an imported case. You came in with the virus.
Yes.
And you did have some symptoms.
Yeah, I had a temperature. I had
temperature.
a temperature, and yeah.
Okay.
And it was when I was discharged initially from hospital. I went home. I started shortness of breath.
Okay.
And I had to go back in.
So how are you feeling now?
Oh, I'm feeling fine. I feel as if to say all is well, and I'm back to myself now and everything. So, yeah.
Okay. How long has that been, by the way, since you had to go and you found out that you were positive?
This has been about 5 weeks now.
Oh.
Overall, it's about 5 weeks since I've come and been in the different institutions.
So, how would you describe your experience in terms of the interaction with the doctors and the public health system?
What I can say is I'm glad that I was in Jamaica and it happened here, because I was treated well. I mean, I know it's a new thing, and everybody, it's not like everything what to do, because it's like, and everybody presents differently, have different symptoms, So I understand that, but I can't complain about it. I give thanks I'm still here, and I appreciate it, and I think how it's been done, doing a good job. That's what I think.
Well, thank you very much for sharing your experience, and we are happy that you're feeling much better, and that you're prepared to share. And the message from you, as I thank you as we leave you, is that
the message from me is can I? Okay, you were saying?
No, I was saying the message from us is that we can overcome COVID-19. So once you follow
Absolutely.
the procedures, observe the instructions, then you can overcome
Absolutely.
it. Thanks a lot, and all
And
the
it's
best to
for
you.
everybody. Can I say? And it's for I wish everybody would understand that this thing is serious. I'm moving around and putting other people at risk isn't the answer. If they could just follow procedure and just do what they're told, it will be over soon.
Thanks a
Well,
lot.
probably not soon, but this will pass.
Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
you.
So